Hello everyone, welcome to this brand new video. Today, a little bit different. Today I am changing up my sneaker room, changing up this corner behind me, and I'm going to take you with me. So as you might have seen, you've already seen this closet. That is gonna be up there. Yeah, I will need to see where I put like my shoes and stuff. And I also got a little unboxing table. Let's get into the video. So first up we are going to remove all the shoes and boxes and stuff. I'm stupid because I forgot to press on record. What I already changed, I'm right now looking at what options I have. Because this will be the sneaker record cord. So yeah, I'm just looking at what my options are. Here you see before photo, and here you see what I'm already doing. Let's get into the time lapse. Okay, so I will be filming like this. Yeah, that will be okay. Okay, so because I don't have that much space, I bought like this whiteboard. Normally you write on it, I know. But I bought this in these packages. There's like magnets, so let's open it up. Alright, these are my little magnets. And the idea behind it is that my room isn't very spacious. I need like every meter I have. So I made 4 of these. I'm just going to put it with magnets on it. So it will keep in place when I need it. But I can put it away when I don't need it. I hope it works. It was just a idea of me. Let's see how it works. First I need to put the magnets in here. Welcome to my desk. As you can see, I have my whiteboard over here. It has its wrapping around it still. I also have the magnet and 4 wooden pieces. I also have a drill and my, what's it called? I don't even know. But we need these. So what we are going to do is we going to cut a little holes in here. I think 4 of them will be enough since I have enough magnets to do. Let's try and see if it works. I hope I have the right size. No, it's not the right size. So I have an 8 and I need a 10. I am back with the right size. This is though not for the right material. It will work, and we just need a little hole. So, and I also got my construction glue. Get the right one, and let's drill some holes. So there will be enough, I think, I hope. So it's just little holes, but it needs to be a little bit deeper. Alright, so I think I'll just pre-drill it with this one, and then just re-drill it with the other one. That looks better. Let's see. Yeah, that will do. That's done. As you can see, I have now 4 wooden pieces with in total 16 holes, and as you can see, they're not perfect. This one is the most perfect, I think. And like in every hole, a magnet fits. So first we are going to use sandpaper and just... So that's done. Let's apply the glue. So we're gonna put a few drops. And now we are applying the magnet. Okay, so this needs a 24-hour dry. So unfortunately I can't let you guys see in this video, but you will see in the future if it worked or not. So now let's do this 4 times. So that's all done. They're almost perfectly in there. Right now we are going to do something different. These are my first ever shoes. These were my baby shoes. These little Pumas. Like right now I'm not really into Pumas. I only have one Puma pair, but those are my beach shoes. And I've got this like glass bowl, and it would be nice to see them in there. So let's do that. First, of course, we need to unwrap this. But I don't want to clean the glass within 1 minute. So these fit perfect in there. But because I have some spare magnets, 2 more. Okay, this looks a bit nicer. So yeah, these were the sneakers my grandparents got me when I was like a few months old. Yeah, that looks cool. So my setup will be a bit like this, but yeah, now I need to redecorate this area. So yeah, this works. So yeah, let's redecorate it with me. With the unboxing videos, I will be sitting down here with a little table in front of me and a camera from up there. And yeah, I hope it will be a cool shot. So how does that look? Of course, I know it's not the right side, but I'll order a smaller one. So you will get out of this sneaker box, because I will put one of my favorite pairs in there. I've put the boxes back there. You can see them just around there. And they will be a bit higher so you can see more of the boxes. And I'll just sit around here with a camera from above there. And I hope it's an awesome shot. I've got to show you one thing. Okay, Google, turn on vitrine.
Okay, de vitrine aandoen.
So it's all lit up with the LEDs. Very cool in my opinion. That will be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I surely did. Finally changing up my setup. If I'm not happy with it with the first video, then I will change it up and see how it will turn out. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like and give me some tips if you think this can be different.